The impact of Internet of Things on marketing. It is evident that the IoT Internet of Things has become one of the most trending technologies today and is being discussed almost everywhere around the world. It is undoubtedly an increasingly growing concept at many workplaces and offers so many concepts to explore or reinvent. IoT and its applications. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices or mechanical and digital machines, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human interaction or human-to-computer interaction, or any objects. The market of IoT, Internet of Things, is expected to reach $11 trillion in global economic value add by 2025. We can say that the Internet of Things, IoT, has the potential to completely transform the make revolutionary changes in almost every field and industry. Although some challenges of IoT do exist, its advantages outweigh them.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
List of Internet of Things applications. Number 1. Internet refrigerator. Have you seen or heard of Internet refrigerator? Refrigerators are getting smarter and serving as an IoT platform. With the concept of the Internet of Things, IoT, they are capable of sensing the kind of material being placed in it, keeps track of groceries, making a shopping list, allowing you to send messages to the phones, and even letting you play music. Number 2. Coffee making machines. Coffee making machines is another example of IoT. A product of the Internet of Things IoT technology called Mr. Coffee allows you to prepare coffee and even lets you choose the brew strength right from your phone. One click and a steaming cup of coffee are ready for you. The machine is connected to the phone where you are required to install the suggested app and you are good to go. Number 3. Thermostats. Another invention using IoT is thermostats. With IoT, Internet of Things, we can now adjust the temperature of any room, at any time, from anywhere, simply through our phone. With sensors installed in the rooms, we can control them via our mobile phones. This is a great way to save energy. Number 4. Medical and healthcare. IoT, Internet of Things, has immensely benefited the field of medicine and healthcare with inventions like prescription bottles with sensors installed that remind the users of dosages. Professionals are trained to manage IoT devices and serve their targeted customers better. Number 5. Agritech Invention. The Internet of Things, IoT, allows farmers to keep track of soil quality and changes in weather with the devices used in farming that have inbuilt sensors. As the Internet of Things, IoT, advances, the very notion of a clear dividing line between reality and virtual reality becomes blurred. Future of IoT, Internet of Things. Undoubtedly, the future of IoT, the Internet of Things, is promising and bright. It is expected to make our future smart and our lives easier. Most progress is expected in areas like entertainment, security, agriculture, and healthcare. There are several inventions relating to IoT, Internet of Things, in the research stage right now that promise to blow our minds in the near future with their results. And there are a lot of job opportunities for the same.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.